Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome to our online class. Students, today we are here to anatomical class that is related to human health and the stage of human life. Student, in previous class we are discussed about the different problems of adolescents. It means adolescents and student characteristics of adolescent. Today we are going to discuss about the problem and solution going to be discussed here, how to manage the adolescent problem and what are their problems. We want to go to discuss about on this topic. Student, as we know that adolescent age is a very critical stage because it is the age of near to maturity. They do not get mature age and they are not sincere. That's why this age is also called the critical stage. Now we are going to discuss about what types of problem arises in this and how we manage in these problems. Student, today our topic is problems and management of adolescence age or adolescent age period. We are going to discuss about the problems and management. So I am going to write here some problems of adolescents and also going to describe it. The problems, there are different types of problem is going to be arises in adolescent age because this age is a critical stage, changing stage, daydreaming stage. That's why there is a like the problems are peer pressure. A student, as we know that peer means the friend, the age well, I think the same age group kids, their kins, pals. So these in this stage, due to peer pressure, due to friend pressure, due to friend circle, the adolescent people are engaged in right or good activities. If their friend circle is good, they want to learn different types of right things, good things in their life, and if their friend circle is bad, peers is bad. So due to this pressure, they want to mimic different types of antisocial activities, bad activities like gambling, like chewing tobacco, cigarette, alcohol, drug abuse, etc. That's why student, it is known this is one of the problem of adolescent age. In this stage, one of the problem is imitation. Imitation means student doing those activities which are going to be copied from others. So copy from other. So in this stage, the adolescents are near to their family, community, school and friends. They have to spend their lifetime with their friends also, their parents also. In this stage, due to this, if the parent, if the friend, if the school companies or society are bad, their activities is going to be bad. These types of bad activities is mimicked by the adolescent peoples. They also mimic the exemplar person like actors, like idol person, and their hairstyle, their lifestyle, their cloth style. These are, and due to this, they fall in problem. Sometimes their desires are lot, and there is the management supervision is not going to be fulfilled by the parent. In this time, due to imitation, the adolescent and their parent is going to be in problem. That's why it is a problem of imitation. If good imitation, they have to do this this help to develop their future. If bad imitation is, they have to learn, it will ruin their future. That's why it is a problem of adolescent. In this stage, one of the in developing country, mainly in developing country, there is a problem of early marriage. Early marriage. A student, early marriage means the marriage below 20 years. So amongst our country, the main marriage age of boys and girls is after 20. It means above 20, and below 20, if any kids is going to be married, it is called early marriage. And this early marriage is also one of the problem of adolescent age, because lots of developing rural area, rural country, the guardian, the parents should marry these adolescent boys and girls before 20, because they think their kids is fully matured. That's why they have to do marriage. So early marriage is one of the problem of adolescent people, and due to this problem, lots of kids drop out their school, because they are not adult, not child, they have not capacity to take decision from their life, and they have to drop school. They have to frustrate lots of things. Other, the problem is unsafe sex. Unsafe sex, it means unhealthy habits of sex is known as unsafe sex, or sexual intercourse with more than one partners is known as unsafe sex. They also engage in unsafe sexual activities because they have curiosity in their mind. Their body is going to be change, physically change, due to lots of hormones. They attack toward opposite sex. Due to this, they have to engage in unsafe sexual activities, and they cause different types of STDs, different types of other problems, social problems. Sometimes due to the hormones change, the boys or girls, the adolescent boys and girls have no capacity to control themselves. They have to engage in unsafe sexual activities. And students, another is sexual abuse. Sexual abuse means abuse, it means misuse. Different type of misuse activities like girl trafficking, like different types of rough words, using rough words, like different vulgar words. These all are known as sexual abuse. Girl trafficking is also one of the problem of in developing country and developed country also. That's why in adolescent age, sexual abuse is going to be, this rate is going to be high in different rural areas, because lack of immaturity, lack of education, lots of kids, lots of adolescents, lack of adolescent education, lots of adolescents are engaged in sexual abuse by knowing or unknowing this condition. That's why students, these are the problems of adolescent age. Now I want to going to tell you that if these problem are adolescent age is going to be seen, how we manage these problems. So there are lots of key point for management of adolescent problems. So listen carefully here. First of all, I want to write you guidance and counseling. Guidance and counseling. So guidance and counseling, those are related things, because guidance, counseling, it means those we have to give them awareness education, we have to listen them problem and give them solution in group or in individually. These both activities known as guidance and counseling. So different types of awareness program, different types of activities, different types of creative activity we have to brought for these adolescents, and we have to understand their problems and guidance them. We have to give them proper and right education toward these problems, and we have to give them different types of counseling and manage these problems. Next one is we want to participation in creating activities. So this is one of the first hand, it means direct way to manage the kids, because if we participate those adolescents in different types of creative activities, social works, they have to engage in them, and there lots of crimes, lots of these types of problems is going to be solved in this way. Other, there are mutual understanding, mutual understanding. A student, we know that the parent is first teacher of kids. So parent must be make the mutual environment, understanding environment, healthy environment in family. They always try to understand the adolescent problems, and they have to give right path, right solution, and manage their problems. So mutual understanding is one of the management method. We have to manage the adolescent problems, and another one is there is the safe sexual behavior. So safe sexual behavior means according to age, according to relation, we have to address any people that is known as safe sexual behavior, keeping reproductive parts clean, managing different types of contraceptive device, different types of knowing about different types of STDs. These all are known as safe sexual behavior. So a parent, a children, a teacher, guardian must be give them advice about safe sexual behavior, and in this way we have to manage the adolescent problems, because in this stage lots of problems is going to be created. That's why student, these are the problems and management of safe adolescent. Now in next class I am again coming you. Thank you. Bye bye.